Hi buddies, back with another tutorial for Adobe Photoshop. Today we are working on this black and white image to create a neon effect. Having some bright colors to illuminate it, we will create a neon triangular shape and add some techniques to apply colorful ambience to the real one and give finishing touch by adding some glass effect. My name is Ramiz and you are watching Pixoframes. Create a new layer and activate the brush tool, turning it to hard round brush. Size can be 20 pixels. Now take the pen tool and click 3 points to draw a triangle. You can experience the effect by making different custom shapes like circle or square also. Right click on the path, this bar will appear. Click on stroke path and select brush. Press delete button on your keyboard to remove the path. To make this triangle a colorful neon, we'll add some effects. Right click on the layer and you will see blending options. Click on the stroke panel and start adjustments. Choose any color you like, it doesn't matter. We are taking purple color. Size of stroke can be 7. Position outside, blend mode normal and opacity 100%. Then go towards inner glow, keep the color according to the theme, purple. Source is on edge, make it center, you can see the difference. Size 27 pixels is fine. Then go to outer glow, color should be same, opacity 100%, technique softer, low spread is fine. Adjust the size and make it 99. Drop shadow will play a quite pretty role in creating effect. Convert black to purple. Increase the size to 59 pixels. Make contour half round. If brightness is high, decrease the opacity to 41%. As because the light is hiding the subject and we need to surround the subject, so close the eye of layer 1, go to background layer and make selection by quick selection tool. On top you see the button of select subject. Click it and a rough selection will be made. And we don't need to have precise selection. Now go back to layer 1 and apply the layer mask. We need the opposite side of neon, so press Ctrl I to inverse the mask. We need the closest part of neon on the subject, so activate the brush tool and mask here. Make a new layer. Paint 2 spots here to lighten the sides of neon behind the subject and blur them by going to Gaussian blur, through filter menu, keep the radius around 21 to 23. Now make the group of layer 1 and layer 2 by holding the Ctrl key, click on both layers and press the group button. Name it neon. Now create an adjustment layer of hue and saturation. Click on colorize and keep hue purple and increase the saturation to 68. By creating a new layer, we will give it a little cyberpunk effect. Take soft round brush, keep flow 49 to 50. and paint half side of the photo blue. Change its blending mode to overlay. Decrease the opacity to 54%. Now create a new layer. Keep the brush color white and take this broken glass brush. Link is given in the description. Keep the size 520 and adjust the direction. Start painting on the light. If you need to reduce the effect, create a layer mask. Brush color should be black and take soft round brush to knead the sides. Finally, we will convert all layers in one layer. Layer 3 is selected, hold Shift key and click on the background layer. Press Ctrl E and it's one layer now. Convert the layer to Smart Object, go to the filter menu and click on Camera Raw filter. It's just to control the colors of our project. Adjust the sliders of tint and temperature, as because this is a vibrant effect, we will try to brighten the lights through highlights, contrast, shadows, etc. And this is the result. So we really hope you like the tutorial. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel Pixoframes. See you soon with another video. Thank you so much.